edit your photos in 30 seconds. What's up, everybody? My name is Godfrey Academia. It's not Peter Makino, it's Godfrey Academia.
Are you mocking me? Are you mocking me? Stop it, you just did it again. He's trying to cover me.
What's up, mga besyo, mga bay, mga dudong, mga inday? And today, I'm gonna show you how I edit my photos in just 30 seconds. So 30 seconds. Yes, 30 seconds. So let's jump into the video. Bam! We are already here in our Adobe Lightroom Adobe Lightroom. We're here in the library section. And now, pupunta tayo sa develop section para mag-start na natin mag-edit ang ating photos. So, enlarge lang natin to para mas kita. So, basically, dito po tayo focus sa right side of the panel. Bababa lang tayo dito sa calibration setting kasi dito natin uumpisahan ang ating pag-edit. But before that, let's start the timer. The countdown. 30 seconds. I hope kaya to. Pag hindi matapos ng 30 seconds, but I know lalampas ako dito. I'm sorry. Pero I will try my best to finish on time, but I'll give you the finished photo in 30 seconds, but I'll give you also the minor adjustments after that. So, let's start now. So, turn lang natin itong orange, 100%, and negative 100%. Basically, adjust lang natin ang saturation kasi saturated yung photos natin, yung red, orange, at saka yellow, and also yung blue, aqua pala, sorry, and increase natin luminance para medyo lighter siya, and done. Basically, I'm done. I hope that's 30 seconds. So, basic teal and orange, light and airy photos. But let's say I wanted to make it more dramatic, more moody. So let's go to the upper part, the exposure. Alright, so decrease lang natin konti yung exposure. Add some contrast around maybe 10. Contrast 10. Increase the highlights, the shadows, and also the whites. Decrease the black para opposite siya. Contrast siya. Tagdaran natin ng konting clarity. Oh, no. Saturation eh. Alright. Tapos, vibrance lang muna. Tapos, pupunta tayo dito sa... Nasaan na ba yun? Yan, effects. Lalagyan na siya ng vignette. Right, konti lang. Then, increase lang natin yung midpoint dito. Roundness dito. Tapos, feather natin siya para kita yung details din sa kilde. Yan. So, basically, just before and after. Before and after. Moody. Let's do some side-to-side comparison. Ayan, before and after. Some teal and orange, light and airy, moody look. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you learned something. Love this video. Please do support me, my channel, by clicking that like and subscribe button below and smash it if you're into, and see you into the next one. Peace. Ganda ng light nito, ah. Thank you, Camille, for lending me this ring light. Subscribe po kayo kay Camille. Ito po yung link ng channel niya. Pinahiram na po ako ng ring light sa ng face. Ito yung room. Lights. Next is lights. So, magdi-discuss tayo about lights. And, lights.